Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best and trendiest products out there. Today, we're talking about the best white denim skirt for women, the Vetinee jean Skorts. Whether you're heading to the beach, going for a casual brunch, or just enjoying a sunny day, this skirt is a must-have addition to your wardrobe. This high-waisted denim skirt combines the flattering fit of a skirt with the practicality and comfort of shorts. With a sleek design, the Vetinee skirt is made from a soft, stretchy denim fabric that moves with you throughout the day. The blend of cotton, polyester, and a touch of elastane ensures that it's both durable and comfortable, making it perfect for various occasions. The standout feature of this skirt is its high-waisted design, which offers a smooth silhouette and extra coverage. The added slit detail not only brings a touch of sophistication to your outfit but also increases mobility, making it easy to move around whether you're walking or dancing. And let's not forget the 5 pockets. Yes, you heard that right. These pockets add both style and functionality, perfect for storing small essentials like your phone or keys. What I love most about the Vetinee skirt is how versatile it is. You can easily dress it up with a blouse and heels for a more formal look or keep it casual with a t-shirt and sneakers. Its design allows you to mix and match with various tops, making it easy to create stylish outfits for almost any occasion. Whether you're at a music festival, a casual gathering, or a day out on vacation, this skirt will keep you looking chic without sacrificing comfort. The denim material is machine washable, and it's easy to care for, ensuring that this piece remains a staple in your wardrobe season after season. No need to worry about constant upkeep. Just throw it in the washer on a gentle cycle, and it's good to go. In terms of fit, it comes in a range of sizes from extra small to XX large, ensuring a comfortable fit for various body types. Plus, the high-waisted design is not only flattering but helps elongate the legs, creating a more polished look. This skirt truly merges the best of both worlds: fashion-forward style and practicality. So, if you're looking for the perfect white denim skirt that combines comfort, style, and function, the Vetinee jean Skorts is the one for you. It's ideal for any woman looking to make a stylish statement without compromising on comfort. Make sure to check it out and elevate your summer wardrobe today. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews. See you next time.